Marcel Zondak at the University of Tennessee, and I teach undergrads and actually non-business undergrads marketing basics. For that, I use Karen Hartley and Rodelius Marketing 10th edition. What do I like about this book? Well, what I do like about this book is that besides being your regular textbook and having all the terms that are required to teach the basics and the fundamentals of marketing to undergrad students, it also contains a lot of hands-on and differential information that students might actually like. Specifically, students that are non-business majors appreciate the fact that every issue and every topic in the book is actually related to different marketing vehicles or marketing expressions that they experience in their day-to-day life. And this is important because it makes the connection to the marketing theory and the marketing practice. And in most cases, because nobody realizes, but as it's said in the book in chapter 1, everybody is a marketing expert because everybody is a consumer.